What's up, guys? Welcome back to the YouTube channel. I'm Turbo John. Me and Chase are just getting out of our favorite store. Where we at, Chase?
Summit.
We're in Ohio. Christmas. We come to visit Kelly's family, and so we just got through my favorite section, the scratch and dent section over there, and we found some cool stuff, but nothing that's really going to work for us now. So Kelly's been waiting patiently in the car with us, but we come up with a plan. We got one of her Christmas gifts and we hid it. It's hidden, and we've got some clues. How many clues we got? 3 clues? 3 or 4 clues. I hope she finds it, because if she doesn't, we're gonna see how much she's been paying attention. I mean, we've been married for 17 years, and I talk about race car stuff all the time. Check out Mater back here too. Isn't that pretty cool? So we're going to see if she's been paying attention. We're going to give her some clues. If she did pay attention, she's going to get a Christmas present. If she didn't pay attention, I guess somebody else is going to get it. All right, guys, comment, like, and subscribe. Check this out. Up here, it's like 20 degrees. Hey, what are you doing? No, we're not quite done. Oh, okay, cool. So we got a Christmas present. We decided we're going to do a little scavenger hunt.
Scavenger hunt?
Yeah, you want your present or not?
Well, yeah, I want my present.
Okay, it's cold. Come on, get out.
I'm wearing shorts.
It is like 20 degrees. So okay, we'll tell you when we get in. Let's go. We're going into.
Oh, inside?
Yeah, we're going inside.
Okay.
You're gonna get us in 20 degree weather.
I don't know what's going on.
So
I'm gonna put anything past your father.
yeah. So look. So we got clues, and throughout the store we have went and hidden the clues.
Yeah.
So okay. So here is the first clue that you need to do. Okay. So we're testing how much you've been paying attention in our relationship.
In the relationship or to the car?
Well, you should read.
Isn't it both?
Okay.
What? Number 1.
Okay.
What part makes my car go fast? Super fast. Without this part, the car would be naturally aspirated.
What does that mean? So this is all we wrote down. Okay, there's your first clue.
So I have to go find this part.
Yes. What are you looking for? Do you want to brainstorm? Okay, so Kelly's got her phone. She got a phone too.
So I'm going to do what Kelly can.
Okay, so do you have any idea what you're looking for?
I mean, I know what we're talking about. Isn't this something that takes the fuel and sprays it, or like puts air in it? No. Well, I don't know. Okay. What part makes my car go fast, super fast? The car would be naturally aspirated. The turbo? Maybe. So I have to go find turbos. Okay, that's not turbos. Those are carburetors because it says it on the tag. I would not have known what those were. Okay. Okay, I think we're getting. Oh, wait. Is this turbo? This is turbos. I know turbos because I made the turbo keychain.
Oh, that might have been too easy then.
That might. Well, I wouldn't. Yeah. Okay. There's a clue here somewhere.
Yeah, maybe.
Looking in the little holes. Wait. Am I too short to see the clue? Oh, look, there's a clue. Okay.
Oh, boy. You found the clue. Good job. Good job on knowing what a turbo is.
Now, can I see this without my glasses is the question. Okay. This engine part has springs, valves, and rocker arms. Go find me in a big block Chevy port. Okay, so this is the block.
What is it?
It says find me in a big block. Oh, it's the part is in a big block Chevy port. Is that what you're saying?
Maybe. Yeah, that's exactly right. So it has valves and springs and rocker arms. What part of that is in the engine?
Valves and springs and rocker arms. Well, that's the part that moves in the engine.
What part?
The first one?
I found the first one.
She had to climb up on the ledge.
I had to. Yeah, I was too short.
I should have stuck it in the end.
I totally.
Okay, so what are we looking for?
I don't know what we're looking for.
There's nitrous kits.
But I know what rocker arms are.
Okay.
I think.
Am
I looking for rocker arms?
No,
but I'm not looking for rocker arms.
No, you're looking for the rocker arms are on a part that is.
So this seems like a good aisle.
Okay. So read the clue again.
Okay, the clue says this engine part has springs, valves, and rocker arms. Go find me in a big block Chevy port.
In a big block Chevy port.
I don't know what part it is.
What part?
I might need more clues.
What part? Okay, so let's stop right here. What part? Hold on, look at me. Hold on, look at me.
I'm looking for clues.
Okay. So
I'm not good at this.
So springs. We're looking for springs, valves, and rocker arm maybe.
So that's the part that moves, right?
No, that's the crankshaft you're thinking about. Now crankshafts are right down there, so
Okay,
you can
but
see the
that's not
crankshafts.
it.
That's not it.
That's not. Well, that's not what I was thinking.
So we're looking for springs and valves and rocker arm.
Is it in this aisle? I see springs right there.
Oh, where?
Right here.
Where?
Right here. There's springs.
Oh, so what is this? So what is this down here?
Oh, do I need to look for big block Chevy?
So that says port, a square port, but that's for an aluminum Ford. So, but you might.
There's so many of them.
There is so many.
So I'm looking for a big block Chevy.
So,
Okay.
and
so
look, these spin. Look, these spin too, though.
these are bigger though.
So if it's a big block, it might be a bigger head, right? So that's a. So this is a cylinder head.
Small Chevy.
Okay.
Ford.
Okay. Oh, you might be on.
Doesn't say
Look.
big block though, does it?
Well, I don't know. I think you're in the right track, though. You're getting warmer.
Well, you're making me feel a little better, honey.
Okay. Well, good job picking out the heads.
Big block Chevy.
Okay.
Is there a clue? Oops, it won't turn all the way.
Okay. Well, then that might want to move on then.
Oh.
If that.
I'm gonna take that clue and run. Okay, this is a big block Chevy.
Oh, that's a big block Chevy.
No clue. This is a big block.
You're getting close.
Keep going. Okay.
Well, that's a big block Chevy. Now, what is a port? What is
The
a
port would be this, right?
Okay.
The
okay.
hole.
Okay.
I have a
Oh, no,
feeling
that's
you're
a-
not checking all of them, are you?
Yeah, that's a.
So I missed it. Is what you're
That's,
telling me?
that's a small one. That's a small. Okay, now so you're in the section here.
Okay.
So this is a
this
big
is
block
the
Chevy
section.
head.
Okay. Oops,
So
here's the way.
there's more big block Chevy heads kind of scattered throughout.
I see it. I would never got that though if I hadn't seen it.
So this is a big block Chevrolet head.
Look at that. It's right there.
Look, it's right there. Springs
The whole time.
and
Yeah.
valves.
I was literally looking at it. I wonder if it'll show up on this
And
video.
and
I'll be
rocker-
like, oh,
rocker
I'm so
arms are
stupid.
there.
Okay, ready for the next clue,
okay.
everybody?
Next clue. Next clue.
Okay. Number 3. What is my favorite part of the Summit store? When you find this section, look for the bright red part that stops the car. Oh, okay. I know this. Get out of my way.
Okay.
You're in the way of my present. So it's the scratch and dent.
Okay.
Which, wait, is it? They moved it. It was over there. Now it's over here.
Yes, they did. Good
Okay,
job.
This
so,
is the scratch and dent.
so this is the scratch and
See,
dent
scratch
section.
and dent.
So all sales are final.
I see a big red
This
part.
is where like
Oh wait, there's a couple big red parts.
they have stuff. Oh, okay. So so does that stop the car? No, that's a clutch. That's a clutch.
Oh, that's a clutch. We're looking for a big red brake.
Oh,
Sometime with a brake.
Listen, look at her.
That's a
Oh,
door.
here's some seat belts. They got some good stuff
Seatbelts
over
don't
here.
Stop the car though.
No, I'm still looking.
They stop you from flying out of the
I'm still
car.
browsing, just seeing if I missed anything. We already looked through this earlier.
This that's a caliper. Would that be a brake?
That is a brake. That does stop the car.
Ooh.
It's not bright red enough though.
Oh, not red enough. Thank you. Okay. So I'm so glad I have my walking clue guy.
Well, they're about to close, so we're.
Oh, are they? So we're trying to
They
hurry.
close shortly.
Okay. Is it on this aisle?
No, keep walking. Just keep browsing. Oh, what are those? Oh, I'm supposed to be following her. Hold on. Okay.
I'm looking for red. Now there's. Oh, I see it. Okay.
She found it.
Okay.
Look,
There we
a
go.
bright red caliper.
Very good.
Brake
I wouldn't have known
calipers.
that was brakes. It doesn't look like brakes to me, but
It's a
whatever.
caliper.
Okay,
Close
let's see. Okay, last clue. Find your gift in the safety section. Look for the carbon fiber safety item that makes sure I come home if I crash. Love you. Okay, safety section. Safety gear. That looks like it's straight across, right? Okay.
That might have been too easy, hadn't it?
No.
Maybe,
Not too easy.
Maybe a little too easy.
No, it's not too easy.
A little bit too easy. Look, we're into tools. I got Milwaukee.
Don't get distracted.
I would spend all of our money if I lived this close.
Yes.
Well, I kind of do anyway. Look,
Okay.
I don't know if y'all have ever been here. The Summit store is freaking awesome.
He's getting distracted again.
Yes, I'm distracted.
Okay, so it's in the carbon fiber safety item that makes sure I come home if I crash. So that would be a helmet. Right? The helmet makes sure you come home if you crash.
You want to rethink that?
I might need to rethink that. I don't see anything in the helmets.
What is a carbon? What does carbon fiber look like?
Well, it's
So we're in
flat.
this section. Do you see any carbon fiber here?
No. Unless are those made of carbon fiber? They
Yeah, but
look like cloth, but are they carbon?
It's
That's
got
nylon.
It's got Kevlar in it.
Oh.
I need one of those too. But that doesn't protect
What am I
me.
looking? I'm not looking for another clue though, right? Am I looking for?
No,
a
you're looking
present?
for the present.
Well, okay. Carbon fiber. Oh wait, this is carbon fiber,
Okay.
but I didn't see any present. But then I saw it coming from the other direction. Ah, I got a present.
Look, she found the gift. I guess we don't have to leave it for just whoever's here.
Okay.
Okay, no more clues.
All right. Can I get to open it?
You-
I'm
yeah,
gonna
you-
stop my video.
Yeah,
so I
okay, you can open it and see.
I like designs. Oh, it's jewelry.
It is.
Oh my gosh, they're so pretty.
Oh my goodness. Oh my
baby.
goodness. Look, so this summit trip was a little more memorable.
Handmade from reclaimed antique glass and bottles. Now that proves you know me.
That's pretty cool, isn't it?
Yes. Thank you so much. I love you.
I love you too.
And it's made, made in Christina, PA by Laura Bergman Bottled Up Designs. So thanks, Laura, for making these pretty earrings for me.
So look, so now this is how I buttered her up because now we gotta go spend a bunch of money. All right, Summit Racing guys, we're here, our annual trip.
Thanks, baby.
Love you, bye.
Love you.
All right, guys, that's going to be it for our Summit experience today. I think Kelly got something she wanted.
I guess if I wanted Chase got some presents in there, but John got nothing, didn't you?
I got nothing. This is the first time I've ever come to Summit and got nothing.
Nothing. Really?
I'm firing myself. All right, guys, Merry Christmas. See y'all.